Mark,
Yeah.
are we gonna put the insulation?
Yeah.
Okay. Poo. Are we gonna put the insulation?
Yeah.
Are we gonna do insulation?
Yes.
Are you gonna put the insulation on the roof?
Yes.
Are you gonna put the insulation in the roof?
Yes.
Salam! Good morning, TV crew. We are back to slide shop. Today, I tease Mark, actually I bother Mark a lot. Previous 2 videos, we got a lot of question about the installation. So, installations, yes, we are gonna put the installation, but not right now. The reason why we are still working on the ceiling and then sidewall is experience from our previous build, 2B 1.0. Back then, we put the installation as soon as possible, and that time we were in open construction field, and until we finished the furniture, installation was exposed. So it got dusted, it got sawdust. I wasn't that happy about, like installation was exposed all the time. So this time we decided not to do the installation right away, because as you guys can see, we are working our van build in Morocco car repair center, which is slide shop, and there's a fine dust flying around here, and we still have fiberglass, and we still drilling on the wood, and we still putting the screws, so everything is covered with dust. So the installation will be done after we clean inside of the van. So anyways, I gotta work a little bit because we gotta build the van. So let me jump outside and make the van, and then we'll answer the other 2 questions people ask a lot. Okay, let me work again.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
This is your lens. It's for you.
Oh, thank you. What is it?
Something Moroccan.
Thank you.
Thank you. assalamualaikum. 타이드 아내분이 맛있는 저녁 식사를 해주셨습니다. Is it?
It's like a 국수 or something.
아 진짜?
Yeah.
캐비치인가? 아닌가?
I'm not sure.
그래서 전혀 걱정 없이 잘 먹을 수 있을 것 같습니다, right?
Yeah.
We're kind of like, who's gonna cook, right? 그리고 나도 먹어볼래, 뭔데? 뭐야?
It's kind of bread. 국수. It's really weird.
국수 같다. 뭐지?
You just show them what it looks like. It's got these kind of noodles.
커리 같다. 잘 먹겠습니다.
많이 드세요.
그래. 이거 좀 해줘야 되는데. 꽈배기랑 한번 해야겠다. 맞지? It's so good. Delicious.
What's the name? It's no couscous, no tagine.
Trid.
Trid.
So good.
Magnifique.
Magnifique. Second one, we heard that the people are kind of concerned about our van weight because we are using the wood, especially this ceiling is up. People are like, oh, hey, be careful with the weight and everything on the van because you guys are doing the high top too. You guys think that it's maybe really thick wood. Actually it's not, and our thickest wood will be 1.5 centimeter. I'm gonna put the inch because some people not familiar with the centimeter. I'm not familiar with the inch. So thickest wood will be 1.5 centimeter, and we are gonna use only 4 slits, but it will not whole one because we gotta cut the part. So overall weight maybe 80 kilograms, that's it. And the other thing is our van can carry a lot of weight. You guys think that it's a really small tiny van, but it is 12 passenger van. Surprise, right? It is 12 passenger van. So per person it calculates as 65 kilograms, so she can carry 780 kilograms for people, and you can add more weight, baggage too. And then previously if we had a 12 passenger seat, which is really heavy, we took it out and then we sold it to other junkyard. So yeah, decrease that weight, and then she can carry a lot of weight. So yeah, the weight will not be that much differences even she has a high top. And another thing is, if you guys follow us from the beginning of our travel, we used to have a roof rack, and then we had a hard roof box, and then we have a one spare tire. Actually, we had a two spare tires underneath and then up there. So on the roof we have the spare tire and 54-liter water. So we carry a lot too. And then that time, yes, we have a lot of weight, but she was fine. That means, you know, she's okay to carry that one too. Okay, let's move to next. Third questions. We have another channel, Korean channel. People wrote a lot. Actually, that was kind of third question was that you guys did a high top, which is just regular van, like small van. And then when wind blow, your guys' car will tip over. Or you cannot even go to roundabout. Your car will be, or your car might be tipped over. That's a question we got a lot from the Korean channel because of, as I say, the cultural differences, because in Korea we don't have this kind of high top van. In Europe or in America, you can see the Westphalia, which have the Volkswagen with the high top, as you can commonly say it. But in Korea, we don't have. If we have it, it's like built with Starex, which is small passenger van. We have the Limo Grand Starex, but you cannot stand inside. So to Korean people, to see this kind of van is unusual. So people are concerning about our height. But actually our height of the roof is not that tall. Yeah, I mean, I can stand, but if someone is higher than me or taller than me, they cannot stand in here. But anyways, we listened to them, and then Mark did a research through the internet, and he found out that our car is not that tall compared to chassis, compared to original van. So she's gonna find if there is a lot of strong wind, yes, absolutely, we are gonna impact by wind. That's nothing much we can do. If we know other car like this will have that kind of impact. But yeah, she's gonna be fine. That's what we found out. And then hopefully we're not gonna tip over when we are in the roundabout. So yeah, she following the research and following the wind speed first to the car chassis, and then she's okay to go. But there's like things we need to remind ourselves. Previously we just drive the regular passenger van with a roof rack. Now we have the high top, so we are gonna impact by affect by wind a little bit. So we cannot drive that fast, 110 km per hour, 120 km per hour with strong wind conditions. Actually we don't drive that fast either, because before we had a roof rack and then rooftop, and our weight a lot on the roof before. So yeah, I think just try to keep reminding ourselves that we have high top, just slow down a little bit. So hopefully I answer all the questions, and yeah, I think it just makes sense for you guys. Alright, I really jumped on the work again. But anyways, it was so much fun to tease Mark. Alright guys, today I think I gotta finish vlog because it was quite tough day for us, and it wasn't speed up as much as we thought, but I think just a small step sometimes can make a bigger step later. So I think I'm gonna be satisfied with what we plot today and for last few days. So hopefully next time we can bring out more develop part of the TV, but today I'm gonna leave. Before I close the vlog, thank you for watching our videos, and if you guys have questions, leave the comment below, and if you watch until now, just hit the like button. And I want to say special thanks to the Patreon and to the crew membership on YouTube, and and other contribution. So see you next time. Bye bye.